This tutorial will show you how to take an image file, link it so that it will open in a new tab, basically as a text file. So what we want to do is go to your Edit tab, place your cursor where you want the link to appear. I would name the image descriptively because the name of the image will show up. You are going to insert a document, excuse me. Do not insert image. You're going to upload a document, but the document you upload is your image file, the PNG file. I have not tested this with anything besides PNG. Submit. And the trick is to click on this file, go to Image Options, and choose Display Text Link, and it will open in a new tab as text. If we save and test the link, it opens in a new tab as text. And that should do it. Good luck.